Welcome to UseMyStats. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a stat group. Stat groups are designed to make organizing and working with your stats as easy as possible. To start, you are going to select More, and then Stat Groups. Select Create New to add a new group, or select the wrench icon to edit existing groups. When you make a new stat group, you will name the group. Select the time period interval, and select who can see the group. Then select Save. You can add stats to your group by dragging them from the right side to the left side. Only stats in the selected time period will be available. If you need to remove a stat, just drag it back over from the left side to the right side. When you are done editing, click Save. To enter values for your new group, go to Enter Values and select Stat Group Entry. Select your group from the drop-down menu. Only the stats in the group will appear. From the graphing page, you can select to scroll through only those statistics or print only those graphs. This video should get you started creating stat groups. For more information, explore our help articles or ask us through our feedback option.